Hello dear seller. This is how the camera used to feel. Let's go to the camera you see here. This is written camera. I click on the camera and it will take long time. Just watch the result. Cannot connect to camera. No, it cannot connect to the camera. Please close any other apps that may be using the camera or flash. And I have no any other application that is using the camera. Now I have to switch off the phone, remove the battery. I have to switch off the phone. I have to remove the battery. You see this the product. See the product. See, I have to remove the battery now. Then check the phone. You see, and now put back the battery and I on the phone. Let's keep on watching.